Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we need to fix a really bad coolant leak that happened after I finished last episode. Also, we're going to lock up the center diff so we can see if I do actually have different ratios. So we're going to start it up and have it in first gear. We'll see if they're spinning differently. Then we'll get her out and clean up the garage, ready for the Skyline. So we had a massive coolant leak from this join here. I did tighten it up last episode, but when I shut it off, it just spewed everywhere. So we're going to sort that out. We know how much coolant we've got left now. Still some in there. Alright guys, I haven't fixed the hose yet, but I am going to start it up, let it run for a little bit. And we'll check the ratios with it locked into first gear, and I'll pick up a hose tomorrow, fix that. I'll do the exhaust when I get home from work tomorrow, and yeah, you can hear that. And then we'll get it out and get the Skyline in. Right, first gear. Yeah, the back is definitely going faster. Man, just climbing up on the engine. Yeah, she's leaking bad. New hose. She's a squirter. You reckon I can make this straight piece work? This is oil resistant one from that. I think it's the same size. Just gotta go from there to there. It's pretty straight. Yeah, that definitely won't work. The ID is a lot different. Just looking at that pipe there. It's like swollen. Maybe the dash 10 will work. Alright guys, I got it out. Let me show you what I replaced it with. Oh, that's dash 10 with a heat sleeve. Gotta be careful it doesn't kink. Shouldn't matter too much because this is the heater core, but can't feel a kink at all. Pretty straight shot. I'll top up the water because we lost some. And we'll see how she is tomorrow when I start it up. Alright guys, I'm not going to actually put the APS cannon on. It was very drony and didn't sound very good on the auto. Sounds alright on manual, but not the auto. I think I just need to put a resonator in the mid pipe, so at least I can open up the right hand side exhaust, because it's just way too loud without something there to quieten it down. But when I've got it on the quiet side, that right hand side actually quietens it down, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I think I'm going to take this out for a drive tomorrow. I'll let it warm up when I get home, and yeah, I'll take it out for a little drive, and we'll see how we go. It's going to be in front wheel drive.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, it's been quite a while. It's Saturday night now. Been struggling to get out here. Got a 3-year-old at the moment. That's a bit of hard work at bedtime, so enough excuses. let's get this warmed up, make sure there's no leaks, and get out for a drive in front wheel drive. Alright, we've got an oil leak on the sandwich plate, so we've got to get that sorted. Alright guys, so to get to the sandwich plate, I thought it'd be easiest to take some of the exhaust manifold off, the collector that goes to the upright. I got that off, and I saw this. So I decided to inspect a little bit further, and I took the other side off. Alright, cool. They're dry. So that is, as you can see, left hand side, right hand side. We got oil, and we've got a leaky boy. I could tighten that one up, not this one, but I think it's coming from here. Also, while I've been under here, I've noticed some oil leaks, which I would like to fix. So guys, I'm not going to take this for a drive, not with that happening. It does sound like it's down a hole a bit, so it's probably all fouled up on that plug. So what I'll do is I'll also pull that plug. Probably it'd be fouled up. It's running like dog shit. You can hear piston slap too. I have a very big piston ring gap for high boost when it was compound, so I might have to get new rings and make the gap smaller. I'm not happy, and I don't want to take it to a tuner and for it to be like this crappy, if you know what I mean. So guys, I think I might have to do it one more time. Pull the engine, strip it down. Hasn't been down to bare block since December 21, which I did a whole video on, and then I lost it, so you guys never saw it. So I need to get my black fuzz in here. No I don't. I finally have the gear shift bushing on its way. It's coming out from Tasmania, that whole kit to do that, but I also need the linkage. The linkage is sloppy, so I have to order one of them. I can do that in the driveway. I really wanted to get onto the Skyline, but alright, if it's going to be one last time, I really need to clean up the manifold and the turbo. So, and the engine bay. This is getting frustrating. One last time, guys. We're gonna get stuck into that engine. I didn't want to see that. Maybe I should never gapped them that big. Alright guys, some pretty bad news, but throughout the week guys, I will get the engine out, get it stripped down, and inspect those rings. Those rings are actually from the previous block. I never got new rings when I got this new block, so that was a big no-no, and some of the consequences of that. So hopefully it's that, because I'm really starting to get over this. Alright, so yeah, throughout the week I'll pull this out, strip it down, and inspect or order the rings, and they should be in hopefully the end of the week, start of the following week, and then we should be able to get this back in within 2 weeks. So make it look a bit better. Paint this as well, we'll paint the turbo. Should I keep it black or go to wrinkle red. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button to see this get stripped down and redone in 2 weeks. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.